Welcome back, everyone. End of day 13. Anyway, got the trailer painted finally, got some more pieces of the flooring cut and not painted yet. Finally, a nice day out, so I did that. But anyway, you can see it came out pretty good. I just used the Rust-Oleum. Some sawdust came across, but that just wipes right off, so not a big deal. So excuse that. Got the water tank finished. You can see I put some brackets down, so what the goal is to have the exact opposite on the bottom, so hold it up, the bracket on the other side, and then I'll bolt them together. Got a 20-gallon tank that I bought on Amazon. Anyway, got some wood cut so far. I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces cut for the bottom, and then I have the front and the back cut for the top layer. So what I'm going to do is check back the other videos, but I plan on sandwiching it and then putting 1-inch insulation between them. Anyway, please give a like, please subscribe, and I'll keep going. It's going to be a short video today. I know there's a bunch of people ask questions, so I've used kind of a mixture of different paints, but I think it came out pretty good. Couple spray cans and then some foam roller of 4-inch. Kind of really happy with it. I think it's going to give it good protection, but I'm going to put another coat on there as well, just to kind of make sure that I got all the spots. Most of the top you're not going to even see. It's all going to be isolated together anyway and put together, but you know, because it's going to plywood on the outside, that's fiberglass, and then foam on the inside, and then a piece of plywood on the inside that's going to be polyurethane, which is the goal right now. I bought some birch, so I think that should look pretty good. But any questions, just let me know. Love to help out anyone else. I'm kind of learning as I go as well. Any recommendations or anything else you guys could see in here, please make a comment. Plan on putting up vintage technology doors, one here and then one on the other side, and then I bought 2 windows that are going to go in here on eBay. They were $79.99 delivered, so they kind of look like the same as vintage technology, so kind of go from there. And then I'm going to put a hatch here on this one and on the other side to get inside, and then the rear door I have not ordered yet either. Was gonna probably order from Challenger just because they can make it custom size for the front 2 and then the back, but been kind of holding off, just kind of see what size I want to put in there and everything else. And I think they're closed now anyway. But stay safe out there, and please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.